Masagatsu Agatsu. True victory is victory over oneself. Hello, good afternoon again, guys. I'd like to talk about how combat Aikido taught me a very important lesson in life. Actually, guys, the reason why there is no competition in Aikido because in Aikido, we actually do not attack. We actually wait to be attacked before we can move. Because, in fact, an attack is considered a gift in Aikido. That the wisdom behind is very deep. And I'll go straight to the point. The lesson that I got from Aikido is indeed conquering oneself. I know uh, at some point in our lives we get some challenges. Some of those are unexpected. It can be about our career, relationship, name it. That will happen. But Aikido teaches us practitioners that those things can be defeated not by waging war but by having that mindset of peace. Again, the meaning of that is very deep. At first glance, Aikido might be, of course, it is a martial art, and sometimes martial arts are associated with violence. But obviously, if you are a true practitioner of any martial arts, it is all about discipline. And Aikido is about discipline, especially a discipline in conquering one's self and being able to think under pressure so that you will be able to withstand those challenges, the pain that you are encountering right now. Guys, it is easier said than done. But there are times, as I mentioned, that unexpected things happen to us. And if you are a practitioner of Aikido, it will be embedded upon you that challenges like this are actually gifts for you to develop your self, innermost self. And when you are able to do that, you are eventually evolving and becoming a better person. Again, the wisdom is very deep, and I could not put justice by these few minutes of conversation of the importance of Aikido, the Aikido principle, the victory towards oneself. So we can start by meditating, looking deep into us. And when you practice Aikido, actually, there's a lot of meditation in the exercises, a lot of rigor and repetitions that you will do to train not only your physical body, your muscle memory, but your mind. Again, those attacks are gifts. It can be in the form of injustice in the workplace, injustice wherever we are. And Aikido teaches us to go beyond what we see and to go deep inside us wherein we can withstand all of those, and you now become a better person. Think of it think of it this way. A bad thing happens to you, the natural tendency would be probably to be angry, to be sad. But if you are a practitioner of Aikido, the way you will react to it is you will ask yourself, what is the lesson? So those things, as you are greeted by life's challenges, try to detect what the lessons are. And eventually, once you learn or once you are able to detect those lessons, you will become a better person. Happy learning, guys. I don't want to complicate things. Uh, so, I just wanted to say that life challenges can be defeated by looking deeply into us. There is always a lesson in every life challenge. Thank you, guys.